Hi, Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com with the Premium Forex newsletter. We're going to look at the USDCAD. Now, this is a trade we took in the Premium newsletter. We went low right when this bar's low. We went short right when this bar's low was taken out, and the market moved our way right away, and then it snapped back up here and made this bar up. But I think that was just a test of a counter trend correction of this swing down, or you could call it, it looks like it almost made a triangle pattern here, and this could be the breakaway from the triangle, and then this could be a test of the triangle, and then when it tests it and sees that the breakaway is good, it will move back with the trend, and I think that's what's happening here. Now the USDCAD is below the downtrending 20-day moving average, and the MACD, the red line's below the green line, so that's a sell signal. So everything right now is pointing our way for this trade. It's just basically a matter of holding it. We went short about 10, well, it was 104 something, and it's right now it's at 103 something. So we're a little bit ahead on this trade, not much, but the big thing is I think we're on the right side of the trade. I think it's going to continue lower from here, and I don't know if we got time here, but we'll take a look at the weekly chart. On the daily chart, it looks like it's making that sideways consolidation and breaking lower. But on the weekly time frame, okay, now this is interesting. The 20-week moving average is moving down, but on the daily MACD is on a sell, but on the weekly MACD is on a buy. But I don't think that's where it gets into knowing the larger trend. If I thought a bottom was coming in on the USDCAD, I'd be bullish, maybe because of that buy signal. But since I'm bearish this market because it's heading lower, it's in a downtrend, I think that all this red line going above the green line and putting in a buy signal reflects is just that the counter trend sideways action here. And what I think is going to happen is the USDCAD is going to break this low. That'll put on a sell signal in the MACD, and I think this is going to accelerate to the downside. So you got to know how to, it's not just looking at the indicators, but you kind of got to put the trend and kind of know where you're at in the market trend. And a lot of times, a lot of people would look at this and say buy signal. I'm looking at it and saying counter trend correction, and that's all it's reflecting, and then it's going to go back on a sell signal. Then that's going to move this market lower. So, and that's why we look at them day by day, is to see if that's what happens. Then if we do get a move lower in the USDCAD, and we do get a sell signal on the weekly MACD, that will really tell us that we're right on this trade, put the odds in our favor, and then that will tell us to just hold it like crazy, because we could get a really big move out of this, and that's what I'm expecting to happen. So we're short the USDCAD in the Premium newsletter, and we're holding tight, and we're going to try to go for a big profit on this one. So thanks for listening to my video. I greatly appreciate it, and Happy New Year. And that's ProfitTrading.com.